You gotta repeat in a circle, quick.
Hang up or press 1 for more options. To leave a callback number, press 5.
James.
James.
We were wondering.
We were wondering.
What you're doing.
What you're doing.
For New Year's.
For New Year's.
So if you
Could call us.
could call us. So we could know.
So we could know.
What you're doing.
What you're doing.
What are you doing?
What you doing?
Okay, bye.
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 Okay, bye.
Bye.
He's gonna be so pissed off when he wakes up tomorrow morning for those fucking voicemails.
We can use that.
The new prank calling.